Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use BrickOwl. First, create a free account to unlock all the platform's features. This allows you to explore the extensive catalog of LEGO parts and sets, which includes over 100,000 unique items. You will also gain access to the dynamic marketplace, where you can both buy and sell LEGO items with ease. It's a simple first step to begin your BrickOwl journey. When buying, you can search for specific LEGO parts using their official part numbers or descriptive keywords. The platform allows you to compare prices from thousands of sellers across the globe, ensuring you find the best deals. You can also add desired items to your wanted list, which helps you track availability and price changes for up to 500 different parts. This makes finding exactly what you need incredibly efficient. To sell your LEGO items, begin by setting up your own store on BrickOwl. It is crucial to accurately describe and photograph your inventory, providing clear details for potential buyers. You will then manage incoming orders and communicate effectively with buyers, ensuring smooth transactions. The platform provides tools to help you track up to 1,000 active listings, making selling your collection straightforward and rewarding. Beyond buying and selling, BrickOwl offers advanced inventory management tools, perfect for organizing collections with thousands of pieces. You can also engage with the active BrickOwl community forums, sharing tips and connecting with fellow enthusiasts. Discover custom creations and impressive MOCs or my own creations from other users, providing endless inspiration. This vibrant community enhances your overall LEGO experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.